Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you all how to do these jumbo twists I came up with. They're pretty much similar to Marley twists, but this is a perfect hairstyle that you can do yourself. And yeah, you don't have to go to the salon to get this done. You can do it right in the comfort of your home and stay safe. So the day before I went ahead and moisturized my hair and put it in these sections. I did use rubber bands to secure each section, and as you can see my hair is fully moisturized and my parts are crisp, and that is because I use this Shine and Jam to part my hair, and I use this edge control on each section and also this to moisturize the length of my hair and seal in that moisture with this vitamin E oil. To achieve this style, I will be using this Jamaican Twist 36-inch pre-stretch hair. It is kind of like kinky hair, Marley hair, but as you all will see, I will separate this hair and stretch it out so that I can get the nicest twist possible. To get the best grip possible, I will be crocheting one strand of hair going horizontally and the other strand going vertically, and that is to help cover up the rubber bands and cover up my hair on the inside.
I thought that I'd be stressed out, but I've been doing just fine, so please don't waste my time. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand.
And now we're going to take that vertical piece and try to cover up our twist. And then I am going to start this twist off with a simple braid, and I'm only braiding down about a ½ an inch, and I promise you all you won't even see the braid once we're done because it will unravel a little bit and become really big and juicy.
I just saw that you're out with somebody new. I should have known that something will be coming soon. I'm sorry if you thought.
And once you braid down in ½ an inch, you're gonna want to go ahead and consolidate the two smallest pieces and begin twisting. And this is the easiest part of the hairstyle. You want to twist tightly because, like I said before, they will unravel and become more larger. And yeah, so just make sure that you twist super tightly, as you all can see me doing in this footage here.
I wish I could get it back, yeah. I don't want to text you that, even though it's over now. I thought that I'd be stressed out, yeah. But I've been doing just fine, so please don't.
To help blend the hair a little bit better, go ahead and add a little bit of your moisturizer of your choosing to help smooth the twist and keep it shining. And that is another reason why I made sure I thoroughly moisturize my hair, because this hair is a little on the drier side and it can dry your hair out. So you just want to make sure that you are adding a little bit of moisturizer to the fake hair and also thoroughly moisturizing your hair till it is super juicy. And for some extra security, I am going to tie a knot at the end. And this is totally fine for me because my hair is totally not this long and I can easily cut the knot out. And yeah, just secure the knot and then go ahead and add a perm rod at the end. And you do want to coil the hair around the perm rod tightly to get the best curl possible.
Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah. Tell them dudes they can fall back. Kidding the kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me. That you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
It's too many secrets, it's too many lies. It's too many finding out about other guys. It's too many late nights I wanting to cry. It's too many hours not being alright. Like all of the calls in the dead of the night. Like all the staying up just so we fight. Like all the cute stuff, like I love how you try. Oh baby, I'm with you till the day we die. Maybe that's sooner than we thought. I don't oppose, you run your mouth, yeah we know how this goes. You say that you love me, the next day you ghost. And you up at night and you locking my post. Like why you do that? Say that you hate me and then hit me up on the gram. Saying I don't understand the moment I let you back in. The next time you out with my friend. Wasting love on you, wasting my time. It's 2020 now, I'm on my grind. I thought you were gone, you are still on my mind. Yeah, I'm thinking of you with every line. Yeah, you moved on and I promise it's fine. Me moving on, yeah, it will take some time. But I guess for now I have to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Oh, goodbye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. I give you my heart, I give you my time, I give you my love and I give you my life. Yeah, maybe I failed a couple of times, but I got right up and stood right by your side. Cause that's where I was and I wanted to be. Told you the truth, said I never would leave. And you found that true and you wanted to split. So you got right up and you did what you did. Now don't look at me and say you didn't mean to tell all of those lies, but I already seen it. You don't wanna hurt me, I'm over here bleeding. You fed up with us, but you stay and not leaving. You say that you love me, but you broke my heart. You were the one that went right from the start. Girl, you were my everything, true piece of art. Who would have known that you would tear me apart? Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Whoa, you say goodbye to me. Every time I ask you, lie to me. Don't come here with apologies. No getting back what you lost with me is history. I can't believe just what you had to say to me. But now it's okay with me. No, now you weren't saving me, you're slaving me. I wasted love on you, wasting my time. It's 2020 now, I'm on my grind. I thought you were gone, you are still on my mind. Yeah, I'm thinking of you with every line. You moved on and
Once you finish your last twist, it is now time to go ahead and dip them bad boys in some boiling hot water. And you all, I am a brave soul. I like to do things on my own, but please seek assistance if you need help with this. You all can see I had my little makeshift assistant called The Counter help me do this, but I made it through. I didn't burn myself and it came out really good at the end.
I'm not a sadomasochist, so you can cross me off that list. But if you're unsure, I insist you keep me on a little longer. I'd like to like you like before, but first I've got to be sure, because if I am not for myself, who tonight? So treat me like I like, if only for a night. I'm not demanding, I just request
And that is it for this tutorial, you guys. I went ahead and styled my hair off camera. Really enjoyed this look. You all seen it in my 2 previous videos, and a lot of people asked me about it, and thank goodness that I recorded it and I was just holding on to the footage. But I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure your bell notifications on, and I will see you all in my next video. See ya.